Edson invented the power knob back in the 1980s, and the popularity was so great that we decided to come up with a power knob that you could fit to any existing wheel in the marketplace. And we did that with a very, very unique design. Our power knobs are available with a lower cost Sportsman Series knob with a urethane knob, our Pro Series with a polished stainless steel knob, and our Comfort Grip with a stainless steel body and a tactile elastomer for warmth and good comfort grip with a non-slip comfort grip. Installation has been made easy by the Edson Corporation. We want to make sure that you can easily install these at home on your boat without special tools and without having to hire a professional. The strap easily slides around the wheel rim. The take-up nut fits securely into the strap. The lower bearing race fits over the take-up nut. The knob fits over the lower bearing race. The upper bearing race drops in with the take-up fastener. As the take-up fastener gets tightened, it draws the strap up around the wheel rim nice and tightly so that the knob is secure on the wheel rim. About 15 minutes, you go from a wheel with no knob to a new wheel with an Edson power knob on it that will allow you to control your boat like a pro. There are also wonderful on-lawn tractors as well.